Alright guys, I'm here at the Trinity River and the Fort Worth Monolith. Let's back off that way. I'm fixing to take a flight and go check it out, show you guys what it looks like. I also want to fly by that water. I don't know if you guys can see it. But yeah, I don't want to ramble on here too much. I'm here in Fort Worth. I saw it on the news, the Fort Worth Monolith. There's a bunch of people around, so I'm gonna try to be careful, but still show you guys what the monolith looks like from the sky. So here we go, check it out. Let me know what you guys think about the video in the comments, and if you're new, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Support all my dreams. I plan to do a lot of good with this channel. Check it out guys, roll the footage.